Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of February, 2025, our system has assigned Apple a rating of hold accumulate, resulting in a score of negative 0.66. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently shows a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and subdued upward trend in the short term, indicating that an additional rise within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 2.54% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 1.45% to positive 15.29%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 42.63% over the coming year, with a potential return between 37.86% and 63.59%. This results in a price range of approximately $320.95 to $380.83 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline: Apple stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Tuesday trading session. On the most recent trading day, which was Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, the Apple stock price increased by 2.1%, moving from $228.01 to $232.80. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.86%, with a low of $226.65 and a high of $233.13. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown a 4.56% increase. However, the trading volume decreased by 26 million shares, with a total of 44 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $10.36 billion. It's important to note that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the last 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $260.09 and its lowest price of $164.08. Currently, the stock price is 10.49%, or $27.29, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple's stock is currently navigating a complex landscape shaped by both optimistic indicators and potential challenges. BofA Securities analyst Wamsi Mohan has reaffirmed a buy rating on Apple, setting a price target of $265, reflecting confidence in the company's growth trajectory, which is driven by its thriving App Store. Notably, applications like ChatGPT and various productivity tools are contributing to increased revenue. Furthermore, the introduction of the new Apple Invites app represents a strategic initiative aimed at enhancing recurring revenue streams while promoting user engagement through customizable invitations for a range of occasions. This innovation has the potential to foster a loyal user base, likely leading to an increase in in-app purchases and subscriptions over time. However, there are concerns about external factors. The newly implemented 10% tariff on imports from China could significantly impact Apple, especially as analysts express apprehensions regarding economic pressures affecting the company's operations in China. This situation could lead to short-term volatility, particularly if tariffs expand to chips and other essential components critical for Apple's production. Ultimately, while robust revenue growth from services like the App Store and new product launches could bolster Apple's stock in the long run, the implications of tariffs may impede its performance in the immediate future. This creates a complex scenario that investors will need to navigate with care. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, it was reported that Maxim Group assigned Apple a buy rating with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, Oppenheimer rated Apple as perform with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, Needham assigned Apple a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 9th of January, 2025, Barclays rated Apple as underweight with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, MoffettNathanson assigned Apple a sell rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio a sell and the price-to-book ratio a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, and thus far it has risen approximately 4.56%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The Apple stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $234.55 and $241.03. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger also reflects a buy signal from 11 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 18 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provides a buy signal from 2 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $229.86. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $6.48 between its highest and lowest points, which is approximately 2.86%. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.09%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.62. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $232.87. If you do not own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $229.86. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of January 2025, Correct Kevin made an insider purchase of 36,767 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 16th day of December 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams executed an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the 16th day of December 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams also conducted an insider sale of 34,752 shares of common stock. On the same day, Jeffrey E. Williams performed another insider sale of 42,939 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 16th day of December 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams sold 8,384 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 27.168. In total, insiders purchased 2,096,037 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $222.12, representing a decline of 4.59%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. There is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple currently exhibits several negative indicators, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, due to a potential for a turnaround, it is advisable to consider it as a hold or accumulate position while awaiting further developments. Our analysis has been upgraded from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate for this stock since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 5th of February, we anticipate that Apple will open down by $1.94, starting at $230.86. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.